Imagine this. You and your friends finally visit Wonderla after months of planning. The sun is bright, the rides are full, the energy is unforgettable. But suddenly, something impossible happens. A ride malfunctions. A wave grows too big. A wheel stops turning. It feels real, terrifying, and unstoppable. But don't worry, everything you are about to see is 100% virtual. These disasters never happen in real life. But today, we simulate what could happen in the worst case scenario. This is Boom Studio India. Welcome to Wonderla Virtual Disasters. Recoil, the king of adrenaline. A double-launch roller coaster that shoots riders forward, then backward, using massive magnetic coils. But what if, for just 1 second, the electromagnetic brakes failed? In our simulation, the problem starts silently. A sensor misreads the speed by just 3%. The brakes don't engage. The recoil train accelerates faster than it should. The simulation shows the coaster hitting a speed it was never designed for. Inside our virtual model, the G-force jumps to almost 2.6 G. The track begins to vibrate. Bolts shake. The pillars echo with mechanical stress. The train climbs the top arc with too much speed, causing a violent metallic shudder. But remember, in reality, recoil has 7 layers of safety: backup brakes, emergency stops, speed sensors, block systems. This could never actually happen. But in our virtual disaster world, we see what happens when physics stops listening. The Wonderla wave pool is calm, peaceful, until it isn't. Our simulation begins with a small electrical glitch. Instead of a medium wave pattern, the system accidentally activates the maximum power mode. A mode that is locked in real life but unlocked in our virtual world. Inside the simulation, the wave machines fire at 300% power. The calm waves transform into a rising wall of water. A mini tsunami grows inside the pool. People in the simulation struggle as the water pushes them back. The edges overflow. Foam explodes upward. The force becomes uncontrollable. But real Wonderla wave pools have pressure regulators, automatic shutdown sensors, manual kill switch, emergency drainage. None of this happens in real life. This is only a virtual chaos simulation, showing how powerful water can be when machines go wild. The Ferris wheel, the ride everyone feels safest on. But our simulation asks a terrifying question. What if one gearbox suddenly froze? The wheel stops instantly, but not evenly. The left side dips by 6 degrees, tilting the entire structure. The cabins at the top sway like pendulums. The metal frame groans under uneven weight. Wind pushes the cabins back and forth. Passengers hang high in the sky, powerless. Inside our 3D simulation, stress lines spread through the metal, showing how a stall could affect balance. But again, real Ferris wheels have dual motors, mechanical locks, anti-tilt systems, emergency lowering. This scenario is completely imaginary, but it reveals the engineering complexity behind a ride that looks simple. All the disasters you saw today never happened in Wonderland. This is not real. These are just virtual simulations designed to explore physics, engineering, and what-if scenarios. Wonderla remains one of the safest theme parks in India. But imagining the impossible helps us appreciate the incredible science behind every ride. This is Boom Studio. realistic simulations, science breakdowns, and thrilling stories. If you want part 2 with more virtual disasters, like this video, comment your next idea, and subscribe, because the disasters may be virtual.